Namaskar. A good night's sleep defines our day's activities. If you have a relaxing sleep, you will wake up refreshed and alert. And this is how you will begin your day on the right foot. But many people these days face problems such as insomnia, where they find difficult to fall asleep. Sleep disorders are linked to disruption in the parasympathetic nervous system. When your parasympathetic nervous system is affected, it strongly affects your sleep. And one of the major reasons for the disturbance in your parasympathetic system is stress. So, if you want a really good sleep, you must address your stress and strengthen your parasympathetic nervous system. To achieve that, you can take help of your own breathing. Certain pranayams works wonders in strengthening your parasympathetic nervous system, which eventually will assist you in sleeping. So today I am going to give you all a very effective pranayam which will relax your nervous system and reduce stress instantly, and that would help to give you a good sleep. Founder Sri Yogendra Ji was the first yoga guru to introduce this powerful pranayam to the world. This pranayam is known as Yogendra Pranayam number 4, also called as abdominal breathing or diaphragmatic breathing. Before going to sleep, practice this pranayam in bed. Ensure that you have a light dinner, and after the gap of 2 hours, definitely perform this pranayam. You also have to create perfect setting so that you could fall asleep deeply. For that, you have to take certain measures such as turn your phones off, dim or switch off your lights, wear loose and comfortable clothing, and only then you practice this pranayam. How to do this pranayam? Understand. Yogendra Pranayam number 4, diaphragmatic breathing. Now, lie down on your back and pull up the knees close to the hips. Keep your feet at 1 foot apart and lie down comfortably. Knees should be kept close to each other. Place hand on your abdomen, on your navel region. Other hand straight on the floor, palm facing upwards. Inhale gently now. Bring your belly little upward but not stretched out. And then exhale gently and try to see that your abdomen is sink down. Keep the count of inhalation and exhalation same. Maintain the ratio and practice this as long as you can. It is a beautiful, relaxing pranayam. There is no retention or suspension of breath in this pranayam. This pranayam looks very simple, but it is most effective technique in yoga. While practicing this pranayam, you should ensure that there is no exaggerated movement of your abdomen. There should be minimal thoracic movement. Breathing should be slow, not jerky, smooth. Throughout your pranayam practice, keep your facial muscle relaxed. When you practice this pranayam, your breathing rate slows down so that you expend less energy. The rhythmic inhalation and exhalation will increase the supply of oxygen and nutrients to each cell throughout your body. It will also relax muscle spasm and release the tension in your body throughout the day. It also lowers the harmful effect of stress hormones called as cortisol in your body, which automatically will help you to relax better. So, practice this pranayam daily to fall into a deep sleep and have a beautiful night, to get up in the morning absolutely fresh and agile, so that your whole day also would be so perfect, lived very well with zest and enthusiasm. Just practice. Namaskar.